production loss. So we are trying to adapt them to semi-intensive and free-range production systems. When they came, some people
want to domesticate the technology, like he has said, and we find that the challenge is with adoption, which is why for us it is very important that we are working with the right people, like the people that are in these districts. Right now we are a long way to get there, but we are doing our best in the meantime. We are consulting people that are in the field, and we shall be reaching out to make sure that we work with you as we develop and try to develop.
So you can get aspergillosis, you can get all sorts of things because of poor management. But also he talked of acidosis. You know, you can easily, this is almost like alcohol. You know, ethanol. So if you check here, you can get ethanol. The animal can get drunk even. So you have to mix. He talked of how to balance the alkalinity and acidity so that the animal does not get into adverse situation of intoxication. Thank you.
In about 18 months?
Yeah.
18 months. Yeah, so we are trying to multiply them here and collect data on them, and this should inform our breeding program. We are working closely with NAGRIC. NAGRIC has another nucleus population there. Once we have multiplied them, we have plans of crossing them with our local goats. Maybe the Mubende goat, maybe the Chigezi Highland goat, maybe our small East African goat. The idea is that we get our stabilized cross that we can give a farmer and be able to reach market weight faster.
Clean. At the moment they are clean. But of course, you know, Fusarium is soil-borne and it stays for long. If you subject a plant which is clean, if you take it from here and plant it in a field where there is already Fusarium, don't expect miracles. It will be affected. So once you get this planting, this clean, you get a clean sucker from here, take it to a clean field and manage it from there properly, ensure that the disease doesn't come in. So I think the rest has been said.
And that's why we are calling you here, to make sure that you tell your farmers that these varieties are what are here. But as Dr. Peace also said, we have got a problem of what? Of Fusarium. It is also coming out. So we are trying to find out what we can do to make sure that we can control it, but it's still what? A problem. But for those districts where you're having a problem, make sure you take up these varieties. They may not be sweet as our local ones. You remember our people here. They need our chitenga, the what. But instead of having no food, you would rather have something that is not what? That is not sweet. Yeah? Instead of dying, let's have an alternative. Survive. Let people survive, and then we can have that one. That's why we're having them here. And you can see there are many in our plants. The challenge is that our people are not coming to take them up. So we are forced to remove them. But otherwise, if you go there and also tell our farmers, or you go and establish your own demos in your own districts, then you will have reduced the distance between the Naro and your people. I was talking to one of the DPO who said, people still fear your gate. I don't know what you're going to do with our gate, Dr. Muzira. People still fear coming into inside.
But Muzira, the head of Crops and Natural Resources Research Program. Dr. Peace and Madam Majori have told you that we have got, but these varieties, to gain much out of them, they need nutrition. We have got the varieties which can weigh 40, 60 kilograms per bunch, but you cannot reach that weight in case the soils are poor. And also to improve the resistance against pests and diseases, you have to improve the soil fertility. In case you don't put anything, in case you don't put anything in the soil, the survival of the banana in the field will be very low. That's why these days, because people have degraded the soils, most farms, they plant banana, but it cannot last more than 3 years. So we need to be feeding the soil because we are removing the nutrients. So in case we don't apply anything in the soil, don't expect to have good yields. Thank you.
babweta fusarium wilt konka omuntu waburijo kutwakubasa kumusheburira oburwiro bwe bwakwata omutumba gwona nugutandika oku ebijojo kutandika okwatika omutumba ya gutataho kigira ki gutataho kitoke kugwana ogamba za mbogoya za kabaragara za kisubi izo zona nizigira ki nizigwaho ecyaka bikingi tutwine mubazi gwaki gwawe konka kureba ngo musiri gwawe wabyire bintu ebyo wayegendesereza okukozesa emisyo iwaguha mutumba wakitagira ki agundi kandi tubayikeza abantu bakuruga heru okuja kutaho mugira ki omusiri gwawe cyo rukurebera itwe ko wareba omusiri gwitu wareba guri clean butarimo bugira ki burwire taba kugira ngo twine cyamane kiturukora konga bugira ngo tukwikiza abantu bona kubana batambarana baza kuronda dodono baza kugira ki cyo wareba ngo burwire bo tubase kugira ki okubu controlling nabo icyo twantugambira abahingi bitu ngo handi yatwine kabaragara ezirikiri nangwa ni nyingi bije hanuya batwaresigo konga bazitware aha Misiri etine burwire ako twagubyara hagati ye nijo mitumba kandi rimo burwire nguneza kugireta neza kukira twabagambira ngo twinene nijo mitumba etwa eta hybrids ejo ngabantu bisingiro abantu bambarra abatakire bitoki nibasa kwija batandike kutware embebezo ahabo kuba haro kizibu kiba kweta nematodes toka kareba kakokwako kungane kazo mubigira ki omizi kagirya emizeyoma omutumba gwono gwagira guta gwago mbwe natubaretire embebu bitoki ebyo uko twatakozire cyo abantu bisingiro nyinda kubarahira omyaka 5 omyaka 4 abambara muje kwa mutakirya bigira ki bariya bitoki abantu barikumanya hati abamwete barikumanya nambazade ngo igizireta ngweruko abamwete bakahikagana kugira ki no kutahayo bahika gate yitu bare bayigira ki bare ho musirikare abamwete bafutaha munda mbwe twandwenda kubagisa abantu bitu ngo gate za ambazade zigwiri batahemu bacha office batubuze ninga babatakubasa kutubuza babuze ba DPOs babo ahabo kubabo bone bamanya kunuya kandi nabayenda kutwishirira nabono basa kutwishirira ngabagira ki nk'abantu nambwe ntagarigira nanyira kubahereza isimu yanje 0 mushanju 2 ngaganisha 7 no basa kutwishirira egino mwanya gwa government nambwe ninjangu imwaho mwaza kugenda obutumwa bumurengo mwabugira buta mwabujanjaza itwe government netushashura netwe sente okore ibintu ebinko kumwabireba konka abantu bisi bari kwija kubyakira omwana wagureba ebitoki wabireba nende tuziresire nebinyansi bigize bita biryaha muhogo iryaha abantu bayisingiro bahinga muhogo efehwa twina habarati zikabira na mukaga esitakwasa kwato bugira ki oburwire konka abantu bakugira bata bakukimanya mbwentwe nangu message yeji tugisini kirabagira ki abantu bamanywe ibintu ebiro kandi cyo tugize tuta turyaha.
Okay, nibanyeta Dr. Chrysostom Ayibazigwe and the director wa research wewe kuchondoze by'obuhinji n'oburisa wa Mbazadi abamwe bakweta stock farm ya Naro National Agricultural Research Organization twesire abakorebera by'obuhinji n'oburisa mu district zone za Orange Rwizoba abo kwenda kuboreka emirimo yitukora bimwe bitukora kandi kugira ngo nabo babitambuza byakanka bekumbantu mbyaro kugira ngo twakorera hamwe kandi hana magezi nabo batugambere bakurebe bikozire kurungi so umuriye ibyo twinembe bonungi embuzo mwani embuzo z'ibitoki nkebi embuzo z'obunyansi ubwo kuri sente ente nungi embuzi nungi izo murembe hamwe no kurwanisa burwire hamwe n'endisa ya byo kurebera entoke kurebera mizi kurebera embuzi kurebera empuno hamwe kandi no kugira ngo hatitwe nk'abantu abari arurengo rw'ihanga ryona bahereza kutukoza nka institute ya National Dairy Center of Excellence yo kukorakoranisa ebyo burisa kugira ngo abantu bahwerweho okutunga ente zibakwenda amizigente n'ibindi aho naho naro hatobwa hatehereze gukora vaccine yo kujema oburwe bwongoha obwa hati iruho nayo umbuye butari bwa farmers nibaza kuba nibagitunga kuba nibagigura kandi nibagemesa amatungo gabo ubutitwango kandi hariho n'ibindi turiyo tukora byuko kuyangu habaho imbazi yuko indijo nke yo kugemejwa kugira ngo nayo biri mu ihanga nabyo bituriyo tukora kandi ikindi yaboreka za variety nyingi z'emitumba nazo ziriho bariyo nibabire nibyo bariyo nibaboreka hariho na ninte ninte zukamisa kugira ngo nte wakamisa iyo muri tazinka 20 no koyongerayo buri job so turiyo tugezaho gukoragana n'aba private sector hamwe n'abandi abantu kugira ngo twatunge nte ezo murembe abantu babase kutunga embryos hamwe n'amiza gaga artificial insemination babase kutunga ibyo bintu hatari kurinda ubwire buringo.
So that's why we want to make sure that even when we have got the variety, we demonstrate these technologies, how they do. So the farmer can come here and see if we have got such a transformation, a district demonstration what field, particularly for coffee. So make sure that you can book, make sure. N'abashemerwa kuja kutaya ire yizoba amazina ganye n'abanyita Dr. Amos Wentaro kandi ndiyo moya habakugu ba National Dairy Center of Excellence hano yeba kwita ambazadi eri kugezaho kujanjaza okumanya kandi niba kweta za karamagezi ahabwa abahingi bitu n'abarisa bitu mu South Western Uganda. Zoba tujira hano ya okwega ahamwani ukira munonga abikwatrine no kukanyisa imbibozo mwani. So hano ya utemerire turi aha Mother Garden ninga omusiri ogutwiyamu embibo eyiturukanyisa ahabwa abantu beitu okubasa kutunga ensugo enungi ezitine burwire kandi ezikuzizibweje ahabwa abahingi bitu. Titwe twenka abarukora akujanjaza y'omwanya itwe nkanaro omuntu gwitu no kureba ngo twashohoza embibo kunga embibo tweza kugishoza ninga technology shimbwa twina abandi bantu abakutuyambaho okurenga twajanjaza embibo. Ministry ya Agriculture nehereza license abantu abarkweta private nursery operators abantu bo bantu abashimire kuba nabo nibakanyisa embibo kugira ngo abantu batakababona nibija aharimbarara konka abantu babo batunge embibejo bwena abantu abo ba private nursery operators bakabire nibija hanuya biyahwe nsigo bagenda batabomaza garden zezagira ki ezabo kugira ngo babase kuyamba abantu bari mu cyaro cyabo konka kiso cyamane cyangire abantu bingi binensigo hamuhanda ingira mwazirebire konka tibine Mother Garden irizori nyenda gambira abantu bona barkwenda kwinga omwana ngo takagura omwana kuchira munonga wano ndake aravaratiz aha muntu wena yaba atine Mother Garden. That's a requirement number 1. So ekitishangire munonga n'abantu kuza haruguto bakagura emyani bakagitwara ekikayo ekarwara kandi bakatekateka ngo emyani yitu niyo migira ki niyo mibi kandi obwe babigire emyani ibari kweta LIT ekituma tugeza ko gutwageza kugwereza abantu gutwara nabwo burwire utwatungire obwo mwana gumana bwoma mbwene kitiretira cyabareta mpa kureba mu tayayire no kwenda ngo abantu tubamanyise ngo mwana tugwine omurungi nibasa kwija bagutwara hakiri no basa kucererwa gutwara kungo twara omwana omugire ki omurungi ubwo mugasho gwito guryampa kandi nawe nabasa kwija nkagira ki nka district kandi no muntu yija nanda kugira ngo nanda gukora Mother Garden nayikirizibwa nambwe ntu encouraging districts kureba ngo zataho demonstration gardens ahabwa abantu baci ahabwa abantu bazi
What I press at the same.
So you know about that.
That is quick to respond this cause. You talked about like FMD. On my if now there is actually we have a group, there already is a field procedure, the process of vaccination Those ones should be shared. The vaccination process. When we had your scientists, you are telling us the control measures. So the question is, are we still trying to control the technologies that are not out of hand? What measures are we putting in place? So, having this group, we need to maintain the measures, the control measures, to make sure that we control the illegal entry in your facilities or in your technologies. Take an example. Let me talk about coffee. We had a discussion because the ministry now is planning to make sure that we get tools type for the planting materials. The planting materials we need. We have from KR1 up to KR10. So currently we don't have a true stipend unless you go to SCUSA. But SCUSA now is extending services to assistant studies like Mbarara here. They have been considered to host a mother garden for this region. So we hope if you go back, you can tell your farmers that now there is a source of planting materials for coffee that you can easily come and get clean planting materials to avoid these chances of having coffee coming back to coffee farmers. If we can have some radio talk shows and we involve some DPOs, either the chair or the DPO around, so that they can communicate what they do. We are addressing perhaps the program that in our district we are doing ABCD interventions. So, the state of excellence, we need this region to be number one in addressing some of the 5 issues that are currently has been. There is decline in soil fertility. And farmers are losing money because they are testing soils, or they are adding fertilizers, or adding manure, organic, inorganic, without knowing the elements, the deficiency within the soil.
Okay.